This is what has been going on
for 3 days.
For 3 days now. They bring these children. Only God knows if they kidnapped these children or whatever. I don't know. This is supposed to be a church, but for 3 days now. There's blood in that basin. They'll flog these children, naked them, both boys and girls. Flog these children. And this is day 3. The other day we couldn't sleep in the night. We initially thought they were having like a children camp or children holiday stuff for children, but this is out of hand. This is Port Harcourt here, Eneka.
Then they throw the catch.
And they will flog these children, maltreat these children. The children are crying, they are beating them, as you can see. The man is still flogging. And that's how it has been going on for days now. This is in Eneka here. It's not far-fetched. It's in Eneka. Some of the children already have marks on their body.
All of them, not some, all. Yeah. See this flogging, they flog the pikin. The baby running, drag.
Yes, I saw when he dragged the child. I was trying to take a footage.
Yeah, don't take video. See women.